That's a typical example of how a trend looks like. But now let's look at how what a consolidating or ranging market looks like. This is what a consolidating or ranging market looks like. When the market is not doing higher low, the market is moving between one level of structure. That is, the market is doing this. At times we do this. Come back here, do this. Go like that. Is the market is just at one point. It's not breaking. It's not leaving. The market is not leaving this cycle. That's what we call consolidating or a ranging market. Consolidating or a ranging market. That's what we call this. Another example of so now there's another kind of trend that I would like to talk about, which is the bubble. When the market is at a bubble point. What do I mean by bubble? When the market is 90 degrees straight. This is it. Market has been doing this before. Sorry. This is what I meant by this. Market has been doing this before. And all of a sudden the market started doing this. That's a bubble market. It is difficult to trade this kind of trend. It's very difficult to trade this kind of trend. You wait for the market to do a pullback before you trade it, because once the market does bubble like that, it is always sure that the market will spike down to the level where it started from. So the only period that is very secure to trade is when the market is trending. You don't trade when the market is consolidating or the market is at bubble. You only trade when the market is trending. When it's a trending market, that is the best time to trade in the forex market. That is the best time. So people trade consolidating and ranging market, but professionals, 90% of professionals and institutional traders don't trade consolidating and ranging markets. They only trade trends. But there's some experts that trade consolidating market, and let me show you an example how they do that. This is what they do. This is the level of structure the market is not breaking. Let's call this our resistance. Our resistance RR, and this is our support SS. So the market started from here. The market started trending from here, went like this, touched this level, came down, touched this level, went up, touched this level, came down, touched this level, went up.